Hi guys, so this is kind of a part two to the my first video for the PMR Content and Livery Studio. A bit of an update of some things that I've been doing. What we've done, we've just added a dashboard here which kind of gives you how many vehicles and tracks or mods you've got in game at a bit of a glance, and just tells you things like where your data folder is. To be honest, not that useful, but it's just a bit of an extra thing we've got going on. One of the other things, we'll go to the Livery Studio first. What I've done, as well as importing and exporting liveries, what we've got now, we've got the banners, so you can just by right clicking, you can export the banners, paint them up how you need them in whatever application you use, and just drag them straight back in. You click update here, and that literally updates your livery in game. It's as easy as that. And the other thing, which is pretty cool, is the wheels. A lot of the cars use the ALB DDS template or file here, and it's just kept in a texture folder. So we've got that here. It doesn't look very pretty, but all you need to do, again, right click, export, paint up the colours, the wheels however you want them, save it, drag it back in, update your livery, and there you go. You've got flashy orange, pink, yellow, whatever colour wheels you want. So that's pretty cool, to be honest. So that's just something in the Livery Studio that we've added. We've also managed to get things like the Ford Falcon, which is DLC. I'm still working on DLC because they're not saved in the main vehicle folder as all the other vehicles, so it's a little bit more tricky to use. But we're getting the Ford Falcon we've got in. Like I say, I have done a livery already. Somebody's asked me if I can do a livery for them. So yeah, this is the Ford Falcon. So we're able to add more liveries to the Ford Falcon. And like I say, I'm working on the other DLCs as well. What else have we got? Career Championships. What we've added here, or what I've added here, is the ability to create your own career event. There's already some mods on Mod Hub for this, but I've found these really tricky to work out. But now, again, this is so simple. You click create career championship. I'm going to rename it for career event, and you literally put all your details in here. So say you're racing the 992 trophy or whatever. You pick your 992, call it what you want, call it whatever championship you want. Select your region you want to race in, all on a drop down menu. You can put your own registration cost. You can either have it free or you can have it 20, 30, 40 grand, whatever you want. Maximum number of drivers. Here is the poster and logos. You can put whatever you want in here. Yeah, put whatever you want in there. I've got nothing actually I can drag in at the moment. Just upload them, click browse and upload. In fact, I need to show you what we've got. So let's just chuck one of those in there for now. So you continue, and this is where where you put all your tracks in. So let's just do a few here. We've got Donington. We'll do Donington. We'll do layout A. You pick your season here, spring, summer, autumn, winter. You pick your weather. You can have it on random. You can put a practice time, quali time, number of race laps, your event start time. So if you want to start at 10 in the morning, you click add event, then you do it again. So let's say we want to go Imola. We're going to start at 2 o'clock at Imola, add event. And it's literally this easy, add event. So once you've got your events set up, continue to the rewards. This is where you put all your money. So P1, the championship, the overall championship reward, let's put 50,000. Okay, and the event reward we'll call it 10,000. Add event. P2, they don't get a championship reward, they'll get an event reward of say 5,000. And then P3, we'll give them £1,000 just because we're nice. So that's your prize money, if you like. And drivers, what you do here, you can pick your drivers. So I've got a search box here, so you can put your 99. I think we did 992, didn't we? I can't remember. But anyway, as an example, you just add your drivers, or you can shift. You can just shift click a load of drivers, add them all in, continue to export, call it what you want. Call it BH for Buzzing Hornet. Put a description if you want in there, and just click export. That exports the mod straight into the game, and when you go and you create your new career, your championship event will appear. Again, so simple to use, really easy. If you do need to make any changes, well, you can go back, you can remove drivers, you know, you can change the money here, you update it. It's dead easy, guys. Really simple. So that's a nice little feature that we've added on. And I think at the moment that's it. Like I say, still things going on in terms of the Livery Studio. I'm trying to get that really user friendly. I think it's pretty easy anyway at the moment to use. But yeah, keep checking us out, and yeah, look out for the updates. Thanks a lot. Cheers, guys.